Good day everyone! So for this particular video, we are going to unbox a DC bombshell, and that bombshell is Black Canary statue. Are you ready? Let's go! Okay, so we have here Black Canary, and as you can see, it's a fairly old box. I think the bombshell was released around 2014, okay, or early 2010, I guess. So we expect that there might be some blemishes, and the seller mentioned there is a blemish on the belt of Black Canary. Okay, so that's fine as long as we have her in our collection. Okay, we're not gonna be too OC with small blemishes, and because of the blemish, I was able to get her at a discounted price. So that's good. So we can see Black Canary here portrayed as a singer. Okay, her voice is her power, so that translates to her being a singer. And I'm not so sure because I haven't reached that part in the comics where she plays a role, but looks like she's a bar singer or a lounge singer here. Okay, so this is Black Canary statue from the DC Bombshells line, numbered limited edition. Okay, so I think there's only around 5,000 of each figures of this statue produced worldwide. So this is the side view, cold cast porcelain statue. And then at the back, we see some of our other bombshells. We have the Batgirl and the Stargirl. So watch out for our unboxing of these two characters as well. And then we have here some more information that it's a 10.6 inches high statue. This is the animated version. Okay. So very interesting. This speaker, I would imagine, contains some birds of prey. Okay, because she is a bird of prey. Remember? And then designed by Aunt Lucia, thumbs up, and sculpted by Sam Greenwald. Okay. Unfortunately, the bombshell line, I don't know if it's being retired completely. Okay, but there's no new releases, so but it's okay. We're still completing anyway. We hope to complete those that has been released. Okay, but I really hope DC revisits this line because it's a very awesome line. So opening it, the seller already took out the tape. Okay, not so sure if it was a pre-lab item, okay, or just an old stock. Okay, that's why there's a blemish. So let's see. And oops, the statue is here. So it's fairly straightforward. There seems to be no detachable pieces. Okay, in older models or the first characters that were released, you'll be the one to put in the character into the base, and then the nameplate is removable. But this one, it just seems to be one solid piece. Okay, so this was the blemish mentioned by the seller. Okay, so I'm not so sure if we can do a repaint of that. Okay, so but for now we'll just ignore it. Okay, and appreciate the beauty of this particular statue. Okay, take a look at that gorgeous Black Canary. Okay, with unbuttoned shirt. Okay, very sultry. And then the fishnet stockings. I'm a sucker to these stockings. Okay, that ass. And then the braided curly hair. And then holding the mic. And we also see a tattoo on her. Okay, so the tattoo says Oliver with a heart and arrow across it. Okay, fiery love. Oliver, of course, would connote Oliver Queen, I guess, the Green Arrow. Okay, so love interest. So this is Black Canary, produced 2014, 2089 of 5,200 worldwide. So we're lucky to have her as part of our Bombshells collection. Okay, so we'll take a closer look at her a little later in the platform. But for now, let's take a look at some other Black Canary Bombshells that we have. First one, we have the Heroclix Black Canary Bombshell. So you can see it's a minifigure, so the paint job is going to be a bit challenging and the detail not so much. Okay, for those of you who play Heroclix, she's a super rare figure from the DC Rebirth set. Okay, we're not gonna talk about all her powers, but you can see she has running shot, super stances for defense, and shape change. So it's a bit hard to damage her. And then she has a special attack power. If I'm not mistaken, that would be a pulse wave power, just to represent the echoing of her powerful voice with a 5 range. And she is literally standing on a bombshell. Okay. So very similar sculpt. The hand placement and then the holding of the mic is quite similar. We have as well the Funko Minis Black Canary version. Okay, so with her mole under the nose. So she has a rose as well on the left side of her face, holding a mic. And then it's very similar, but the hand is on her waist and not just floating around. Okay, it's a Funko Mini. And then we have the Cryptozoic version. Okay, so this one is a bit plainer compared to Funko. Okay, so there's no fishnet for one, and the dress is not braided. Okay, but it looks good. Okay, so the flowers also on the right side, not on the left. Okay, so this is Cryptozoic. And then the last one that we have is the Bombshells from, I think this is Funko Rock Candy. So she's holding the mic with her 2 hands. Okay, we can see a resemblance of that tattoo. So that's attention to detail. And then the fishnet, the shirt, then the rose. Okay, so take a look side by side. Okay, side by side. Side by side. And finally, side by side. This will be the closest, I think. Okay. So those are some of my Bombshells collection pieces. Okay. I think I do have some covers as well of Bombshell Black Canary. So we'll take them out and then we'll display Black Canary on a platform so we can see her in all her glory 360. Let's go! Okay, so we're able to pull one of the comics cover that we have showing our Black Canary Bombshell. Okay, so this is her 360 view. So this is the comic cover, as I said. So it's a variant of Green Arrow number 43, the Black Canary, the birds of prey, performing live, hawks and doves in love. Okay, so she looks like an underground singer. Okay. Okay, let's turn her on again. Okay. You can see her in all her glory before we put her in the shelf for display. I was also able to get some of my trading cards of Black Canary. So also the same in the side of the box earlier. Okay, the trading card, this is C01 DC Bombshells trading card. This is the comics cover that we just saw. And this is A08. Okay, volume 5, number 43 variant, published 2015. And the last one is the Black Canary Funko mini version. Or is it the Cryptozoic? Yeah, the Cryptozoic, I think. Yeah. Okay, you can see here L05 Black Canary. And we're also able to get the Black Canary Heroclix card that we have. So reading through the card, so Black Canary has the Bombshells and Celebrity keyword, set number 49 of Rebirth. So she has a trait Bombshell. When Black Canary makes an attack targeting an opposing character, give her a Bombshell token. Free if she has two action tokens, remove Bombshell tokens, then make a close attack. So rocking live and ringing heads is another trait which grants her Force Blast, and free, remove a Bombshell token. If you do, this turn all knockback caused by friendly characters is doubled, and opposing characters that can use charge or combat reflexes can be knocked back. Okay, although there's a nerf in knockback because of the maximum 3, but yeah, so doubling it is better, I guess. And then she has a special attack power, Pulse Wave, Jive, and Wail. Black Canary uses it. When Black Canary uses Pulse Wave, you may remove a Bombshell token, and if you do, after resolutions, give an action token to each hit opposing character. So that's powerful, although of course, since there's no more pushing damage, it's somewhat nerfed that particular special attack power. But she ignores characters for movement. 5 clicks of life, starting off with Running Shot, Pulse Wave, Senses, and Shape Change for 65 points. Okay, so that is Bombshells. Ooh, significant appearance is Bombshells United 2018. Haven't reached that part in the comics yet. Okay, so thank you very much once again. I'm gonna just end the video here of Black Canary rotating on the platform and the other figures. So if you enjoyed the video, who is your favorite Bombshell? You can also put that in the comments, and watch out for other Bombshells that we will unbox in this channel. So bye bye and enjoy the rest of your day.